In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide properties in Notion. If you work in Notion databases, you know how quickly the screen can get cluttered. Properties, which are the columns in your database, hold important details like status, dates, tags, or numbers. Hiding a property lets you simplify what you see without deleting any data. It's perfect for focusing on just the fields you need right now. Start by opening your database in a table view. Move your cursor to the header of the property you want to tuck away. Right-click directly on that property name. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same. On a mouse, use the right button. This brings up a small menu tied to that column. From that menu, click Hide. Instantly, the column disappears from the table. But don't worry, your information is still there in the database and can be brought back at any time. Hiding only affects the current view, so other views of the same database won't be changed unless you repeat the process there. When you're ready to bring hidden properties back, look to the top of your database view and click the settings icon. This opens the view settings for the table you're looking at. Inside those settings, click Property Visibility. You'll see a clear list of all the properties for this view, grouped by what's currently visible and what's hidden. In the section labeled Hidden in Table, click Show All. This immediately restores every hidden property to the table, placing each column back into view. It's a fast way to recover anything you've hidden during a cleanup session, especially if you hid several properties and don't want to restore them one by one. A couple of quick tips as you use this. Hiding is different from deleting. Hiding only changes what you see. Deleting removes the property and its data from the database entirely. If you don't see the hide option when you right-click, make sure you're clicking the column header itself, not inside a cell, and that you have the necessary permissions to adjust the view. Also, if you're using a different type of view, like board or list, the settings icon and property visibility controls are still available, but the layout may look slightly different. That's all you need to keep your Notion tables clean and focused. Right-click a property to hide it, open the settings, go to Property Visibility, and use Show All to unhide everything at once. Thanks for watching and enjoy a tidier workspace.